For this exercise, we'll be adding yet another stage to the aggregation pipeline that we built in the previous exercises. On the Pipeline tab of the aggregation editor, ensure that the Stage 4 row is selected. And by now, I hope you can remember the procedure for creating a new stage. When you've created it, in the new Stage 5 tab, select the Sort option from the operator drop-down list. The aggregation editor will add 2 lines of placeholder comments by default. In the editor window, delete the placeholders and type the following expression. The expression specifies that the documents should be sorted by the total field in descending order, as indicated by the -1 value. In the Stage Output pane, click the Execute button to execute the pipeline up to and including the 5th stage. In Table View, we can easily confirm that our results are now sorted by the total field, with the highest amounts listed first. As you can see, the most transactions come out of Sacramento. Go to the Query Code tab to verify that the code includes all 5 pipeline operators and their expressions. You can copy the code to the clipboard or open it in IntelliShell to edit further. Go to the Pipeline tab to verify that the pipeline now includes the Stage 5 row with the sort operator and its expression. You can collapse or expand each stage to see more details. Close the aggregation editor. If prompted to save your changes, click No.